Simply rinsing broccoli with water isn't enough. Here's the proper and effective way to clean it. Let's get started. First, prepare the amount of broccoli you need. Use scissors to cut it into small florets. Broccoli is a very popular vegetable and is chosen by many people because it is delicious, easy to prepare, and very nutritious. Compared to many other vegetables, it contains a higher amount of vitamins, minerals, and plant protein. Simply steaming or boiling it makes it delicious, which is why it's a frequent sight in many kitchens. However, despite its nutritional value, its dense, fluffy structure easily traps pesticide residue and small insects. It's tasty, but not easy to clean. Many people simply rinse the food with water before cooking, but this method often fails to clean thoroughly inside. Let's set the stem aside for now. We'll deal with it later. So, how should we proceed? Put the broccoli in a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Then pour in enough water to completely submerge the broccoli. Stir well with your hands until everything is dissolved. This helps to loosen any dirt clinging to the broccoli. Cauliflower has many small, tightly interwoven layers, making it difficult to clean with just water. When flour is mixed with water, it forms a suspended mixture. The powder particles will cling to dirt, debris, and even tiny insect eggs, helping to pull them off the surface. At the same time, they also trap impurities in the water, preventing them from sticking back onto the broccoli. Stirring the flour in water creates gentle friction, helping to push out dirt trapped deep inside, something that regular water struggles to do. You can imagine it like tiny sponges squeezing through the small crevices of the broccoli. Soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. Salt water repels insects and eggs and has mild antibacterial properties. Baking soda helps weaken pesticide residue. Combined, this is a very effective way to clean broccoli. While we wait, we'll deal with the stem. Use a knife to peel off the hard outer skin. Many people often discard this part because they think it's tough and not tasty. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. But in fact, it's crispy, soft, slightly sweet, and very nutritious. Throwing it away would be a shame. After peeling, wash thoroughly and place on a cutting board. Cut it in half, then cut it in half again. Then slice it into small pieces of similar size to the flower head. Set aside for later use. After soaking, gently stir the broccoli to release any remaining dirt. Then rinse thoroughly under running water. At this point, you will see that each broccoli floret is fresh, vibrant green, and very appealing. This washing method significantly reduces residue and cleans more effectively, giving you greater peace of mind when using it. Have you heard of this method before? Next, I'll use the cleaned broccoli to prepare a few simple, soft, flavorful, and nutritious dishes, perfect for young children and the elderly. Pour clean water into the pot. And begin boiling a pot of water. When the water boils, add a little cooking oil. Then blanch the broccoli briefly. Adding oil helps maintain its vibrant green color. Broccoli needs to be blanched to reduce oxalic acid, otherwise it can be slightly bitter. It also makes the dish softer, tastier, and cooks it more evenly. Blanch for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then take them out and let them drain. Prepare the tray. Put a little cooking oil on it and use a brush to spread it evenly across the tray. Arrange the blanched broccoli florets evenly on a tray. Next, crack 3 eggs into the bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons of sour cream or yogurt. This helps the egg mixture become richer, smoother, and gives it a slightly sour taste that is very easy to eat. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Pour the egg mixture over the broccoli. Sprinkle 50 grams of cheese on top. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Preheat the air fryer to 170 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Then place the tray in. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. If using an oven, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Time's up! Let's take a look at the finished product. The colors are incredibly appealing. The golden cheese layer blends perfectly with the aroma of eggs and cheese. It looks delicious just by looking at it. Cut it into small pieces and enjoy. When you cut into it, you'll see a soft, slightly moist layer of egg embracing each crisp floret of broccoli. The melted cheese forms a fragrant golden layer, blending with the creamy and slightly tangy taste of yogurt, an irresistible combination. With the first bite, you'll experience a perfect harmony. The broccoli retains its crispness. The egg is smooth and creamy, the cheese is rich and creamy, and the yogurt adds a light, refreshing touch without being overly rich. Next, I'll share the second recipe. Prepare a small carrot, slice it diagonally, then julienne it into thin strips, and finally dice it into small cubes. Cut the broccoli into small pieces. It's best to cut them slightly smaller for a better taste. Save the stems for another dish. Place the broccoli florets on a plate. Next, crack 3 eggs into the bowl. Beat the egg yolks and egg whites together. The more thoroughly you beat them, the smoother the steamed egg will be. Add warm water in a 1-to-1 ratio with the eggs. Remember to use warm water for smoother eggs. Stir well. Then, it is filtered through a sieve to remove air bubbles and impurities, resulting in a smooth, non-porous finished product. Skim off the foam from the surface. Without air bubbles during steaming, the eggs will be smooth like soft tofu. Next, add the carrots and broccoli to the bowl of eggs. They will float to the surface, creating a beautiful visual effect. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Stir well. Boil water, then place the bowl in the steamer and steam for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness. Cover with a lid or a plate to prevent water from dripping down. After steaming, let it rest for another 2 minutes before opening the lid. The steamed egg and broccoli dish is now complete. Take it out, and you'll find the egg very soft and slightly elastic. You can cut it into bite-sized pieces. Where are you watching this from? Leave a comment. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Add a little sesame oil and some soy sauce and enjoy. Eggs and broccoli are a perfect combination, even more nutritious than meat, great for young children and the elderly. When you scoop a spoonful, you'll feel a smooth, soft texture, gently vibrating like soft tofu. The egg melts gently in your mouth, moist and tender, almost requiring no chewing. The delicate egg flavor, combined with the natural sweetness of carrots and the slight crispness of broccoli, creates a very pleasant taste, neither
Không ạ.
dry nor greasy.
Chỉ có
This
vào ngó cái
warm,
thôi chứ
light,
không
and
đăng ký
easy
đâu.
to eat dish is especially suitable for days when you want a light yet nutritious meal. Each bite is pleasant, melts in your mouth, and makes you want more without feeling heavy in your stomach. This video ends here. If you have any feedback, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you for your support. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.